2011 to 2016 Ford F250. I'm doing the media USB assembly right up here. You can put your map card in there, SD card, USB, and looks like a RCA wire hookup. These are the tools I'm using: a plastic interior pry bar and then a small flathead. I'll show you both why, but I'm going to link both of these tools below. So first, I'm going to take my plastic interior tool and just kind of pop off this faceplate right here. The plastic tool makes it so it doesn't scratch the other plastic. It's like almost impossible to scratch interior parts when you have this plastic tool. So I'm going to pop this off. Just get in kind of in between the faceplate and then the USB assembly, and this will pop off. It shouldn't give you too much resistance. It'll pop off. You set this to the side, and then here's where we get it off. Now there's 4 little tabs around here. I go with this one up here and I push it down, and then I just kind of pry this thing forward. It actually comes out pretty simple and easy. So I got mine. Once it pops out a little bit, I just grab it with my fingertips, and then I just gently pull it forward. There's 2 connectors and wire harnesses attached to this, so don't just rip this forward because you'll break the wires. We got these 2 connectors here. They both have thumb tabs on the top. We're going to push on the thumb tab and pull the connector back. Never pull by the wires because you'll break the wires, and then you'll have another problem. But yeah, there's a little thumb tab right on the top. You push it. If you have fat fingers like me, it's annoying and kind of difficult, but go ahead and pull the connector backwards, push the thumb tab down, and then when it's like that, it's released, and then you can kind of push the USB hub forward or the connector backwards, either way. But here it is right here. Here's the part number. Don't forget to pull out your map card if you're getting a new one. Here's the part number right here. This was kind of hard to find online. I couldn't find it for sale from Ford, but it is on Amazon. I'll link this Amazon spot below. It's kind of difficult to find, but if you got to click on see buying options, and then there's a new one listed right here, and it's like $63, but you get a brand new one. So I'm gonna link that below, so if you want to go this route you can, or maybe go to a Ford dealership, but you might have to pay like a lot more at a Ford dealership. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. So once you get your new one, here it is. We're gonna put the map card in this little SD card spot, if you have one, of course. All right, so we got that in, and we're just going to come up here, plug in our 2 connectors. It doesn't matter which one's first, but the black one is kind of tricky because it has that metal connector in the center of it, and this one you kind of have to line up perfectly when you push it in. You got to be a little careful with that one and more patient. And then this one over here, you just get it in as well. Once those are in, you just push this guy gently into place. It should just lock into place. And then that should be it. We're going to put the faceplate back on. And then same with this thing, you just kind of line this thing up and then just gently push it on. It should kind of snap into place. And that's it, guys. So you don't need to program the radio or nothing to my knowledge, and then you should be good to go. So thanks for watching. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now, AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff. And then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.